With WooCommerce subscriptions you can create products with recurring payments. Unfortunately, managing your subscriptions is not easy and the search options are very limited. For example, if you want to find all the subscriptions with a total price of $100, you have to check them one by one. If you want to export all those subscriptions, you can't do it because you can't use the order total as a search parameter. For that reason, in this tutorial, we will show you how to find the active subscriptions by total price using the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin. This WordPress plugin allows you to manage all your subscriptions from a spreadsheet inside WordPress. You can apply advanced search filters and apply massive changes with a few clicks to hundreds of subscriptions. While you may want to find all active subscriptions using an exact price, you may also want to find all subscriptions with a price equal to or greater than that amount or equal to or less than that amount. Let's search for all the subscriptions whose order total is $100. Just open the search tool and enable the advanced filters. Now select Status, Equal, Active. Now add a new advanced filter and select Order Total, Equal, 100. And run the search. You'll see all the subscriptions priced at $100 displayed on the spreadsheet. If you want to search for all orders whose total price is $100 or higher, open the search tool and enable the advanced filters. Now select Status, Equal, Active. Now add a new advanced filter and select Order Total, Equal or higher, 100. And run the search. Now you'll see all the subscriptions whose order total is $100 or more displayed on the spreadsheet. Lastly, let's search for all subscriptions whose order total is $100 or less. For that, let's open the search tool and enable the advanced filters. Now select Status, Equal, Active. Now add a new advanced filter and select Order Total, Equal or less, 100. And run the search. Done. All the subscriptions whose total price is $100 or less will be displayed on the spreadsheet. As you can see, filtering the subscriptions by total price is really easy with the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin. You can save a lot of time and create reports quickly. Download the plugin using the link in the description of this video. Visit our website to get free live chat support and subscribe for more tutorials.